Hello guys from Multiplewarnas kitchen. Today I have something different to show you all. Today I'm going to be showing you all a garden vlog. This is basically the garden area in front of my house where I have different plants and herbs, and sometimes I even use these herbs for cooking. So what I have here is I have mint plant, I have coriander, I have cucumber, I have papaya. If you notice here, from what I'm showing, I use a lot of recycled items. So I have here paint can, then I have water bottles, mineral bottles. So what I usually do is I start by planting the seedlings into these small reusable water bottles, and then once they have grown and become a plant, then I'll take it and plant it into a real garden kind of area. So this is so that I can actually plant more trees, as small water bottles consume less spaces compared to the whole garden area. So I'm just showing you all the plants that I have. You can see this is a flower plant, and these are just seedlings that I just put in where they have not grown up yet. And these are just some herbs that I'm showing you. More herbs. Okay, these are more plants, but these are mainly flower plants. So I have aloe vera as well, as you can see, and more flowers. This is just outside my house. This is inside my house, where if you notice earlier, there are little pots that I've just put the seedlings in. And I also use this black color container, egg trays. So this is what I do. I take a small water bottle, cut them into half, and then make small holes on the bottom of the bottle. And then you will see what I'll do next. So I make a few holes so that the seedlings can have a better penetration of the bottle. Then I'm just gonna take it and put it inside a basin and fill it with sand. You can get this good quality sands from your nearby supermarket. And then once I have done that, I'm just gonna make a hole so that I can plant the seedlings in, like you can see here. This is papaya plant that I'm trying to plant. So what I usually do is, once I have planted this in a bottle like this, then once it has grown and become a flower, like a big tall flower plant, then I'll just put it and take it out and plant it into a real garden. So this is how I make all my recyclable plants. I'm just showing you, and this is how I water them. Use another small bottle. You can do this easily at your home. All you need is a water bottle and a good quality sand. Here's another tip for you. If you feel very stressful, or if you're coming from a very heavy work, a stressful environment, I find that gardens always give a peaceful time and peaceful mind. So you can actually start gardening so that you can relieve your attention, because all you'll be thinking is how to plant and what can be done. So you will actually forget the stress that is actually causing you. And here is a butterfly that I found in my garden. I thought it was very pretty, and it came at the right timing. So like I said, if you want to relieve stress, gardening is an excellent way of relieving stress. So this is just me following the butterfly around, just to show you all how beautiful it looks, flapping its wings. And just some herbs, more herbs. And here I'm going to show you another plant. Basically the plant that I'm going to show you is long bean plants. So as you know, long bean plants doesn't just grow in a pot. It requires a long vein like this. So I have just taken some small strings and I have tied them around my fence so that these long bean plants actually have support and they can grow around the string, as they don't really grow in a plot but more of a vine kind of plant. So this is what I'm doing here. That's also long bean plants there, and this is pandan leaves and more long beans, and I also have bitter gourds. This is bitter gourd plant that I'm showing you right now. It's the same thing. Just take a long string or some kind of wooden rope, and you can just tie it around, like make it like a vineyard, and then just grow your plants onto it, as they will grab the rope to grow more. noticed, you would have seen these flowers particularly a lot in my garden because they are actually lucky flowers. They are known as lucky flowers as they bring in luck to your house. This is roses. Look at how beautiful my rose look like. I have pink roses. I have red roses that I'm growing as well, but I'll show that in the next update video. You can see how beautiful the rose look like. I've just plucked one just to show you all. Such a pretty rose. And this is a cat that belongs to my neighbor but keeps coming to my house. So it's practically my cat right now. All it does is it roams around my garden and it enjoys doing so. So as I was taking the video, it decided to pop in. So I'm just showing you the cute little cat as well. You can see how freaking cute it is. I hope you have enjoyed this mini little garden vlog. I know it's little different from food contents that I put, but I thought as the flowers and herbs looks very pretty, I thought of showing you this. Thank you for watching this video. Please click